Hello, everyone. So my name is Laurentine. I'm the Training and Partnerships Officer at CILIP. And today I have the pleasure of having a great conversation with Jess from Nearly Core Associates. This conversation will be around the importance of having data protection training for all organizations. And Jess will be able to tell us about that. I'll let you introduce yourself, Jess.
Oh, thanks so much, Laurentine. Yeah, so I'm Jess Pembroke from Naomi Corn Associates, and I've been in data protection for more than 15 years now, both in the healthcare sector and in the cultural sector and in education as well. I really enjoyed the work that I do with all the different clients we have at Naomi Corn Associates. But one of the things I enjoy as well is delivering our range of training courses, and sharing that knowledge that I've gained over the last few years with other people as well.
That's really wonderful to have you and to have such a skilled person to be able to answer some of the questions that we know that our members have and people even outside of our membership also have. And one of those questions is around the current landscape financially, especially. Why is data protection training a priority when budgets are really tight?
Yeah, I'm sure it's really hard when you're having to make choices about your organization and what you're going to invest in. I think one of the interesting things about data protection is that it can be really fundamental to any change to the way your business runs. So there's been organizations who've introduced things like facial recognition or new AI software, and they're bringing these things in to save money. So say AI software in the GP practices where they're using the software to transcribe patient meetings instead of spending money on people doing that job. But the problem is they then have to remove those products or systems if they haven't put the necessary compliance in place first. So making sure that staff have the skills they need to understand the questions they should be asking before any sort of software or changes take place is really fundamental because it'll actually cost organisations more further down the line if they haven't got somebody who knows what questions to ask. And then the other thing to add is about cyber attacks. Obviously, this year, particularly in the retail industry, there's been a huge amount of lost sales and problems because of these cyber attacks. And it's just something that you can't afford to kind of leave till a later time. It's something that you need at least one person, if not many members of staff who have that knowledge to spot some of these problems before they arise.
Mhm. So what I'm hearing is really like it can be really costly to have to correct mistakes that you've made because you didn't have the skills.
Yeah, definitely.
That's really good to understand.